Hey, my friends, my name's Paradiso, and I'm here to help you to learn how to play a didgeridoo box, known as the Didg Box. It's a great little instrument that you can put in your backpack or anywhere you want to go. Um, versus the didgeridoos. A lot of people are limited on space, especially on stage. So this is a great little instrument. It's a very same technique that you do with the traditional didgeridoo. Um, the idea in the beginning to start a drone is known as the sound, and you want to really clear the mind. I've noticed in all of the teachings that a lot of people get caught up too much in the mind and it kind of stops the flow. So the idea is to relax and clear the mind in the beginning. Close your eyes and take a couple breaths and be loose, very loose as possible. Most people have been playing like brass instruments, like a trumpet, and it's a different way of playing. Playing a brass instrument is a very tight lip. The didgeridoo is the opposite, is loose, like a raspberry. Remember we did that when we were kids, right? So you can remember how to do that. So also you want to have a very tight seal with the mouthpiece. And some people prefer to play in either the left or right side of the mouth. You can also play in the middle. The reason why people play on different sides of the mouth is because the muscle is, you have more muscle either, if you're right-handed, you'll play the right side of the mouth. So let's do our raspberry together. And the next step is your tight seal. So push really against the mouth and breathe. Always remember, breathe through the nose. Do not take the instrument away from your mouth and then breathe through the mouth. Breathe through the nose, because that's going to get in practice in circular breathing. So here it is. I am not given a lot of air here. Very light. So that is known the drone. Some of you might hear this. That is known as the tight lip as a brass instrument. When you notice that, time to relax again. Loosen the lips. And if you're not just getting right, you might want to drop your chin, your jaw, and that will make the lips open up just enough. And eventually, that you get your drone, and you want to make that drone as long as possible. And once you got that down, then it'll be step 2 that you can do vocals and the diaphragm push and different ways of putting a beat into the didgeridoo. But let's start you with just the drone. So this is lesson 1, Next lesson will be with some beat. Lesson 3 will be circular breathing. And once you get the circular breathing down, you'll be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the near future, and I'd love to see you someday playing the Didg. Until then, namaste.